How do I replace paste yanked text in Vim without yanking the deleted lines? So I usually find myself copying text from one point to another while overwriting old text where the new is pasted. Suppose I visual mark new text and yank it. Now I select wrong one, which could be anything, not necessarily just a word, and paste the new text. However, if I now do the same with wrong 2, it will be replaced with wrong 1 instead of new text. So how do I keep the text that is in the buffer from being swapped with the text that I am currently overwriting? Edit 1. Although I quite like the register suggestions, I think I will start using registers more, now that I discovered the column dis command. I am going with a modification of Ginfield's answer, because I do not use the swapping mode. Does the trick perfectly. Edit 2. I was too fast. Romain's solution is precisely what I was looking for, without the hack in Edit 1. Actually, vermap p_dp is enough. So, changing accepted answer.
I have these mappings in my vermap. Underscore is the black hole register, according to column help underscore. When writing to this register, nothing happens. This can be used to delete text without affecting the normal registers. When reading from this register, nothing is returned. Not in vi.
In addition to the standard buffer, you can yank text into named buffers, and then put from those named buffers. There are up to 26 named buffers you can use, one for each letter. Use double quotes in a letter to access a named buffer. Examples: die, yank current line into buffer D. A7y, yank next 7 lines into buffer A. DP, put the contents of buffer D before cursor. App, put the contents of buffer A after cursor. Another cool thing, if you use a capital letter instead of lowercase, i.e. die, the current line will be appended to the buffer D instead of replacing it. More details in the O'Reilly book, this URL.
When using put in visual mode, the text you're replacing, wrong one, is overwritten by the contents of the unnamed register. This actually works by putting the register after the selection and then deleting the selection. The problem is that this deletion is now stored in the unnamed register and will be used for the next put action. The solution, according to column HV_P, is to yank into a named register, such as 0 years, then paste using 0p as many times as you need. It may be helpful to map an LT, leader in GT, Y and an LT, leader in GT, P to use a named register, if this is something you do frequently. For more help, see
Pasting from 0 register is important to know, but you often want to replace many times. If you make it a repeatable action, you can use the dot operator, as alluded to by Garajon. It's explained on the Vim wiki.
If you want to report the channel, please contact subscribing.